Good morning, Bulldogs. This is Austin.
And Michael.
With your daily dose of RCHS activities and events. Our biology students have been busy this week.
Doing what?
Well, you'll have to see for yourself. But this comes with an extreme warning. If you have a weak stomach, you might want to skip to the next part. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Mrs. Sauber's biology class got hands-on with the Sheep Eye Dissection.
The purpose is for them to see how the eye works and how the body functions. Sheep eyeballs are almost exactly like our ball, and so they can see the function in the system, which is what we've worked up to the whole year.
Then you maybe expected to kind of have memory.
The optic nerve is right here, right behind the eye. This is what connects your eye to your brain. This is the lens, so this is where you actually, this is how you see. Like, you look through this and it shows you, and then, almost. So this is your cornea. This is what protects your eye. And this is your pupil, because it's a hole in there.
Looks like they mastered the sheep eyes. Hope you're not a frog because you're next.
Do you know what time it is?
Yeah, it's 3:50.
Actually, it's time to announce who won the Lil Baby tickets.
Oh, yeah. And the winner is...
And the winner is... Official Coronado 21.
Watch your Instagram message or email sherry.dugan@rchs.org to claim your tickets. Congratulations.
Your voice has been heard, and the volleyball team has been chosen for our Staffers Institute volleyball game on May 13th during Bulldog Block.
On game one, I feel good, feel confident. Look at the team. We feel good, we feel confident. Look at the team we play. Hey, good game, good game. Once again. I feel absolutely great. If we keep dominating and communicating like we have been, it's ball game. Yeah. Ball game, barbecue chicken, baby.
Y'all after the game, or during the game.
Want to see the game? Only students with tickets will be admitted. Scan the QR code to purchase tickets for the game. Juniors, here's a free summer opportunity. Career Exploration Camp will be held in Greenville at the Paris Junior College and is all open to all RCHS students.
Interest in the healthcare field in areas like radiology, sonography, nursing, or emergency medicine?
Or want to explore skilled trades such as HVAC, mechatronics, aviation, or electricians, or robotics?
Interested? Scan the QR code on the flyer to sign up for more information, Bulldogs. Everyone, we are happy to announce another club in our announcements.
Yes, we are, Bulldogs.
The club is called Men of Honor. It is designed for helping youth to become qualified leaders and world changers by training in principles of chivalry, honor, moral excellence, and courageous leadership. Most importantly, Men of Honor properly answers the question, what is a man, specifically in today's time?
Well, Men of Honor takes place Tuesday from 3:45 to 4:45 at Learning Steps in the CCA right in front of the Jumbotron. Also, there will be snacks and new students will be met at this event.
For further information about Men of Honor, please email weldon@themenofhonor.org or refer to the official site, honorchangeseverything.com. Thank you, Bulldogs.
The Rockwall Chamber of Commerce has another opportunity for RCHS high school juniors. Are you a leader? Are you motivated, creative, and interested in developing leadership skills? Will you be a junior next year?
Interested and a junior? Scan this other QR code for more information and to apply.
Attention juniors or soon-to-be senior class of 2026, get ready to shine. It's time to schedule your senior portraits and yearbook photo. Photos will be on June 23rd, 24th, and 26th in the RCHS library. Ready to book your spot for the in-school event? Scan the QR code.
If the on-campus dates don't work for you, or if you'd prefer a more extensive studio session, you can schedule an appointment at a prestige portrait studio using the same link.
Don't wait too long though to schedule your session, as appointments tend to fill up really quickly. We can't wait to see your smiles. I know it seems like juniors are taking over the announcements right now, but this is one thing about the seniors. I can't believe seniors are walking the halls and capping out on the May 19th.
That's right. So let's decorate our doors and congratulate the class of 2025, the year of 5 squared.
The 2025 RCXC Summer Running Program is just around the corner. Student athletes from grades 7 to 12 who are considering running across country in 2025 and one parent must attend the information meeting on May 19th and the RCHS Event Center from 6 to 7 p.m.
Questions? Please contact Coach Kyle Crumpton at kyle.crumpton@rcisd.org or girls coach Zach Snow at Snow with a Z at the end at rcisd.org.
Yearbook Distribution Day is this Friday, May 16th in the CCA Dirty Lab. Yearbook Distribution Day is a day for pre-order pickup only, and students will be called down by grade. Don't forget, you must have your student ID to pick up your yearbook.
If you didn't pre-order, Yearbook will announce a later date for any extra copies to be sold on a first-come, first-served basis. Cash only. Students, this is a reminder that Chromebooks will be locked on May 19th. If you haven't paid next year's fee, be sure to get your fee in so you can use your Chromebook this summer.
And seniors, don't forget you can keep your Chromebook, which is only like $1, if you've been paying your yearly fees for the past 4 years.
Excellent price. Don't forget that attendance and grades can help you get exempt from semester exams, and we have a weekly attendance challenge going on as well. Be here! And you can win prizes such as AirPod, Beats by Dr. Dre, wireless speakers, and restaurant gift cards as well.
For lunch today, we're having a pepperoni or cheese pizza, Italian sub, or a croissant sandwich.
Let's check in for a quick sports update, Bulldogs.
Our amazing ladies softball season came to an end this past week. Our boys baseball were able to rout Cedar Hill in a 2-game win to clinch area. Congratulations, Bulldogs.
Speaking of sports, did you know Eli Snow is up for Texas High School Baseball Player of the Week? Scan the QR code and vote for Eli.
Hey, Bulldogs, let's end our announcements with an inspirational quote from Elisha.
Hi, my name is Elijah, and my quote today is, "Love is the absence of judgment."
Thank you so much, Elisha.
This has been Austin
And Michael
for the Bulldog Rise. Bye, Bulldogs.